Out of court.
What's going on, guys? David here with you today. It's a Monday. We got a pretty good schedule already ahead of us. Can't complain about the work, even though it has slowed up a little bit, which none of us doesn't really mind at this given time since the holidays were crazy. Hope everybody is doing well. Hope everybody is making money. Hope everybody is, getting closer to their goals that they've set for themselves. Staying motivated, staying encouraged is kind of a hard thing to do sometimes, especially if you don't have a lot of positivity around you. So I try to bring positivity, try to bring encouragement, tell you guys to stay focused, stay at it, stay hustling. It takes time, it takes patience to get to a certain place in business, a certain place in life. Things just doesn't happen in the twinkle of an eye. It takes commitment, it takes dedication, it takes less procrastination, because I know that I'm a procrastinator. I used to be the world's worst procrastinator, and at times still is bad about it. So that being said, hope everybody's enjoying the appliance repair business. There's so many different sources, so many different ways that you can make money with appliances. It's just not going and repairing them. You can get them and flip them, buy them real cheap, sell them real high. You can get parts off of them, start at eBay, sell them on Craigslist, sell them on Amazon. So many different ways that you can make money with appliance repair. There's dryer vent cleaning, there's dryer cleaning, they're selling appliance parts, they're selling used parts, there's going in-home, doing in-home repair. So hope everybody's having fun. Hope everybody is getting to a place to where hopefully they're comfortable with working on appliances. If you are, it's time to take it to the next step and get some advertising out here. Advertising is not that hard, guys. It's simple. With all the different outlets and sources that are out there nowadays, you can place ads for free and get calls. You got Facebook. Craigslist is kind of tightened down a little bit. You got Google My Business. This is a free way for you to put your business on Google Maps. There's so many different things, and if you want to spend money on advertising, you don't have to go and spend thousands of dollars on advertising. Okay? I have ways that I will teach you, but it's going to be part of a one-on-one coaching process that I will do for you guys. But I haven't got all that lined up yet, but I am going to have that lined up. I'm going to have it to where you can have one-on-one coaching with me. I'll take and help you grow your business, get your business to a place to where it needs to be. I do not have there's nothing that I can give you that's not going to take time for it to manifest. There's nothing out there besides you getting hooked up with a good warranty company, other things like that. But there's so many different things that you need to do, and I can properly lay these out for you guys to do, and you can learn and take to it and do it for yourselves, okay? But it takes time. But when you have me, when you have other guys as part of the YouTube channel that's breaking out awesome content, there's no excuse for you not to be able for you to progress and be in a better position, be in a better place than what you are right now. So that's the way I did it. That's the way I come up. That's the way I'm still coming up. There's things that I'm learning. I'm learning how to build a community. I'm learning how to build, this is going to be huge. I cannot imagine where this is going to be in a year, because I'm here to help people. I'm here to help you guys. And at the same time, I have to make time to do this for you guys, because I'm full on 100% running appliance repair business. So that being said, you know, these little fees and things that I do charge, it helps motivate me because it puts a little bit more money in my pocket at the same time, bringing you great content that's going to help you put even more money in your pocket. So that being said, I appreciate each and every one of you. I appreciate all the guys that's a part of my chat group right now. I enjoy each and every one of you. It's about building a friendship, a hustle ship, you know, going out here, putting money in our pockets, putting food on our table, supplying for ourselves, and not having to work for the man. Well, this is David with DC Appliance Repair. I want to shoot this little video of encouragement out there for you guys today. Y'all have a great, blessed one. Thank you.